Hello blissful learners. In this guided tutorial we are going to learn about function. Firstly, we need to know in what is the function. Function is a block of reusable code writing perform a specific task, and the function can take input from parameters and also can return value as output, and it helps to organizing our code structure, or we can keep our code structure clearly, and we can more over time we use one function, we can call back our function, it will get and we can run through our browser, and we don't need to wasting our time. And this is very useful feature inside JavaScript. The most of advantages if you are using the framework like React or Next.js, the most useful the function you have to know in. Okay, so firstly I need to show the use cases about the function. Okay, first I'm going to define JavaScript file. We can script.js, right? Before we start to the tutorial, I need to mention one thing. It's about the extension. When you using the code runner extension to, I'm going to enable it, right? When you're using the code runner extension, you don't need to go the browser, or you don't need to link inside the another HTML file to run this JavaScript command, and you can it's debug on your debugging section. So how it is gonna open your debugging console? Come to the view, and here is we have debug console. Now you can open the debug console, and when you run this code runner from here it will process our JavaScript code without going the browser. Okay, it's debugging from the VS Code, and it's very useful feature, right? Okay, so let's start our today lesson from the example. Okay, first I'm going to add comment in here. We can add here's an example, right? Now we can start I'm going to call function, and now you can see when you input the function command here, you need to define the function called identification. You can use any name you want, and if I say hello, let's define the hello world command inside our debugging console. Okay, now we don't need to, we need this, but we don't need inside this. Right, now I'm going to write a console log console.log, and now let's define inside the hello world. Right, now you can save this, and now I'm going to run this command inside my debugging console. As previous video, you don't need to go to the one here debugging section, because we use the extension for running JavaScript from our debugging console. You can run this from here, right? Right now we have some problems here because of we need to recall our function. Okay, now if I say hello brackets and comma, okay, let's see. Yeah, we need to save it and run it again. Yeah, now you can see the console print us hello world. Here is the function. Here's our function, and here's we used to recall it. Recall, and when you recall it, it will print us the hello world from our debug console. Okay, here is and this is the main use case. And okay, here's the example, right? And now let's see another one. Right, and I'm going to rename this 01. Actually, this is not a rename, this is at comment. Okay, and let's say use case 1. Okay, now I'm going to define say to hello myself. Okay, right, inside I'm generate function, and let's say logger inside brackets. Now I'm going to console log my name is Nipun. Right, now we need to recall the function, and I'm come to here, and let's add another comment. We call, let's say calling. In here I'm going to logger right. Here's as well as we have the function here, and this is the syntax we use to recall, and here's our console print command. If I run this command, you can see why hello world again print us. Okay, we have some problems in here because we not save this one, and now we can run this again. From here we will get my name is Nipun. Okay, so it says both commands work perfectly. Right, now we are going to confirm the second use case. I'm going to clean up my code, and let's set use case 2. Okay, here's the use case number 2. Also we can define comments in here, define function, right? Okay, so then I'm going to add function keyword. Now I need to process the when we are call the keyword to generate for exam, generate wishes from exam. If I say wish and open brackets, and here we can console log, and now if I say good luck for the exam. Okay, and then close this session, and now we can recall from here, and if I say wish and keep save this, now you can see good luck for the exam, right? And here's the second use case, right? Now I need to comment this, right? Now I'm going to combine second use case. Okay, and it is all about I'm going to sing song from using the console. Okay, so we can here, and I'm going to take new song, and what about let's search Titanic theme song, right? Here's the everything about song, right? We are going to sing from using the our console, right? Okay, so first I'm going to call function. Okay, let's sing song, right? First I'm going to call from the function let's add sing song. Okay, on brackets. Now we can console dot log the I need to mention one thing. This use case about the we can print the multiple command lines inside our console. Okay, if I say print multiple commands. Okay, right, and here, right, I'm copy this first line of code, if you want you can continue this process. Okay, but I'm going to take the first 3 line of code from the song, these console log console.log. Now we can call the function sing song. Okay, let's add comment. We call, if I save this, I'm going to clean my debugging console. If I run this, now you can see we will get our song. Okay, the step by step. Okay, and this is about how to sing from the debugging console. Right, okay, so now I'm going to move up some questions, and yeah, now okay, first I'm going to clean up my code. Okay, let's add command use case 3. Okay, right, now I'm going to write function wish for name. Okay, and in the brackets I'm going to put name. Okay, now open console log. Now we need to call from this using this parameter, and I'm going to call name, and the use case I need to get. Right, I will explain what is the use case. I need to print when I input name. So maybe if I say Nipun, I'm going to input this value. I need to get output as, it will print output as the and if I say Nipun good luck for the exam. Okay, we need to define this from our debugging console. Okay, let's try out, and now I'm going to add the string. Now if I say good luck for the exam. Okay, right now here I'm going to website wish, and wishing for name inside the comment. If I entered my name as Nipun, and let's see how it's work. Save this. Now you can see it will print us Nipun, good luck for the exam. If you need to break a space, you can define the brackets and then save it. Let's run it. Right, now it's working for us, because the reason of we have not generate between the space. Okay, and when you generate the space, and it will separate a little bit. Okay, right, and the another use case I need to telling you the how to work with the template strings. No, it's about template vectors. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm forget about. Right now, if I comment this, now I'm going to rewrite this section, and we can take console.log. okay, and open brackets, and in this section we have used a plus sign, but from this here we generate this session without the plus. We are using the dollar sign. Okay, this is called the template vectors. And before we call in this, we need to remember we are using the backtick. We use the backtick, and you can call the function and name. We don't need any plus sign, and if I say good luck, for the exam. Okay, now we can finish the session from again using the backtick. Right, and yeah, now we can run this command to our browser, and we can see whether it's work or not. Right, now you can see, and this is the short way to write the generate parameters. Okay, and if you are familiar with this, and this is easy to remember, to memorize, easy to memorize the how to use this method. Right, and this is about the template vectors. And right now we are learning about the function and template vectors and many more things. And now let's work with the new session, new example. Okay, new questions. Let's take a new question. Okay, so now I need to and let's make fractions. Right, let's take another example. I will show you, and let's call function add, and I'm going to give the parameters as the num1 and num2. Okay, and here I'm use the written keywords. Okay, the written keywords help us to recall the our function. We call our function from anywhere on the JavaScript document. Okay, if I say plus num2 and right, now we generate the our first session. Okay, now we can let total equal, I'm going to equal to the add, and now we need to give the any numbers, the and for 1 and 2. Okay, if you need to add 2 more, and you can add from here. Okay, you can say num3, and it's okay, you can add, but we need to add from here as number 3. Okay, right, now we need to get the total of the 3 numbers. Okay, and let's take the simple equations, and 20 at comma 20 and 10. Okay, this is very simple expression. And now if you need to console log this, we can say console.log. Okay, now we need to call this string total. Okay, now we can log console, now we can log the full total of this function. Okay, and comment this. Let's see how it's look like. Now you can see I will get the full total. It's about the 15. Okay, and this is the how to use the written keywords. No matter if you are put this in here and save this, no matter it's working, this one, the written keyword using the, you can call the anywhere you have enter this document, you have the function when you are writing the function. Okay, and this is about the, you can save your space, and just save your workspace and performance on your project.